Are you interested in learning about foods that can increase eye pressure? While many are aware of the risks of high blood pressure, the connection between certain foods and ocular pressure elevation might be less known. This video delves into the dietary factors that can raise eye pressure. Elevated intraocular pressure, or heightened eye pressure, plays a crucial role in the onset of glaucoma, a condition associated with vision impairment and potential blindness due to optic nerve damage. Dietary choices can impact the development or progression of glaucoma, as some foods have been found to induce an increase in ocular pressure. 1. Consuming salt. Consuming a lot of salty foods can cause your blood pressure to rise, and studies have shown that doing so also increases your chance of getting high ocular pressure. 2. Saturated fat intakes. Foods that include saturated fats are a key factor in raising eye pressure, and they are harmful to the health of your eyes. Saturated fats in the diet can raise your risk of heart disease, stroke, and other dangerous health issues. 3. Consumption of processed food. Processed foods are a significant contributor to ocular pressure problems. Their high levels of salt and sugar can elevate eye pressure. Moreover, their unhealthy fats and additives increase the risk of developing various health issues. 4. Drinking alcohol. The pressure inside the eyes might rise when you drink a lot of alcohol. Other health problems, such as liver disease, can also be exacerbated by alcohol. 5. Caffeine in large amount. Consuming a large amount of coffee and chocolate might raise eye pressure. Therefore, people who routinely consume these foods are more likely to acquire excessive eye pressure. 6. Red meat. Red meat consumption can increase ocular pressure due to its high-fat, protein-rich composition. With significant amounts of cholesterol and saturated fat, red meat has the potential to elevate both blood pressure and eye pressure. By now, you should be mindful of which foods can lead to elevated eye pressure. When making choices about your diet and lifestyle, it's crucial to consider this factor.